Did you like playing with Legos as a kid? Do you want to make a lot of money? There is a growing field in software right now called DevOps. DevOps is not a development role. You're not actually making the product. You're just taking the product that developers make and making it available to people. Without you, they can't even get to it, right? They can write all the software they want, but if it's not somewhere where somebody can get to it, they can't do anything about it. They need people that can move the software around. But here's the great part. They've modularized this thing where you don't even have to know what they're making. There's a process called Docker. It's mostly used by everyone right now. It takes the code and puts it literally in a box. You need to know nothing about the box. You're like, hey, I got a box. It's got a hole in it. Thank you. The hole's at 80. Great. Thank you. Everything else you do from that point forward is exactly the same no matter what's in the box. You learn the process. Learn about web apps. Web app. What does that mean? Now you can go learn what does it do? Well, you already know from your browser when you type in. What do? You type in a name. Oh, so that's something where that looks up. What is that? Oh, that's DNS. Go learn about DNS. And then it goes to a load balancer. What does that do? Oh, well, the load balancer, first make sure it's secure, HTTPS. Oh, so certificates. Let me go learn that one. It's another Lego. Click. Oh, let me learn about load balancer. That's a Lego. Click. That Lego has little Legos on it, like a cert and a few other things. And what does load balancer do? Well, it looks up and says like, hey, you asked for this. Let me go see. Do I have a box? Oh, I do have a box. Oh, cool. That box was 8. Oh, I'm going to send you to that box. So you send to that box, right? It's quick. It's fast. That's the general basics. Now, what does this mean across platforms? How do you get these things done? Well, you learn about the Lego pieces of each one. Pick a cloud platform. If you don't know which one, go with Amazon. Go to AWS. It's got tons of documentation. Sign up. It's free. I put your credit card in there. You will get a ton of hours and everything for free. Go pick it up. Learn about the blocks they have. And then I want you to learn a little bit of coding. Because it's DevOps, it's got that dev part of it, right? This is where you really make the money. Because you have the blocks, you don't actually put those blocks together through like this UI or this crazy thing or actually Legos. You do it through code. But you do it through code that actually makes sense for stringing blocks together. Python. Just go learn Python. There's tons of Python examples you can use on any computer, completely free to download. Check out some different Python examples, and then what you'll find is once you know Python, that these blocks I'm talking about can be wired together and created with code. And there's complete examples, and there's entire libraries that help you do that. Hell, most of them are already done. For Amazon, they've got this great application called CDK, Cloud Development Kit. If you learn that with Python and the basic understanding, you could get a contract quick helping out any company just build their things on the cloud. You can get great money and do the same thing over and over again. No college, no certifications. Just take your time. Take the time. If you really like Legos, learn about DevOps. It would be well worth the money. Learn Python, learn AWS, learn CDK. Just check those things out. And then do something. Make your own. Go for it. You can do it. It's worth it.